My name is Tam Nguyen. I'm a 3D artist, and this is why I create. So I started learning about animation 5 years ago. I discovered that I had an interest in 3D animation and art, and I wanted to use it to engage audiences, especially children, since animation is very attractive to them. So I started learning animation to work on JPCatholic, which is a YouTube channel that I created with my brothers and sisters. The purpose of JPCatholic is to teach others about the Catholic faith in a fun and engaging way. I find 3D animation attractive because it requires both artistic and technical skills. For the carousel piece, I ended up using a sine equation to calculate the position of the horses based on the angle of the carousel to make them go up and down as it rotates. Having a deeper knowledge of math is really helpful in doing things more effectively and much quicker than could otherwise be done. Mathematical equations can also be used to make it much easier to animate different things that connect together. When I'm making a 3D animated piece, I draw inspiration a lot from the real-life counterpart. I research how the different parts fit together and how they interact with each other. I also look at how different artists have approached a similar piece in the past, and I learn from them. 3D art is a career path I would like to pursue. I like to continue working on 123Catholic, maybe making a side business and producing educational content that would be helpful for students to learn about. My name is Tam Nguyen, and this is why I create.
I have a passion for writing. It is one of my ways to communicate to others as well as to myself. And it's not even about what type of writing I do, because I love writing poetry, novels, screenplays, all these sorts of things. It's honestly about the story. People's works of art tend to represent themselves. When I create my stories,